What's the meaning of crystal radio? Crystal radio. Crystal radio.
Crystal radio. Crystal radio. A crystal radio is a simple wireless receiver that enables the reception of amplitude-modulated, AM, radio signals without the need for an external power source. The device utilizes a crystal diode and a tuned circuit to extract the audio signal from the carrier wave. When the antenna receives the radio signal, it induces a tiny current in the tuning coil of the device, which is rectified by the crystal diode. This rectification process separates the audio signal from the carrier wave, which can then be heard through a connected earphone.